me. In front of me is HUAWEI P50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and select Notifications. Following that, click on Manage All and tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable notifications from, like Send Anywhere. As you can see, all notifications from this app are now blocked. If you wish to enable them, just tap on the same switcher. You can also go back, scroll down, tap on one of those apps over here, and manage all of its notifications over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!